I would like to brief of insects under order Hemiptera and Coleoptera. In order to understand what is Hemiptera and Coleoptera, I need to talk some of the special feature or common characteristic. Hemiptera in Greek, which divided hemi means half and ptereo means wings, refer to the fact that part of first pair wings is toughened and hard, while the rest of the first pair and the second pair are membranous. What I want to take a look is how they attack and eat plant. This insect will pleasing and sucking mouth parts by beak. The beak of the insect will suck the plant juice, and this insect also can make damage of plants. While what the unique of Coleoptera? Coleoptera is the most species rich of group insect. According to this paper, there are estimate of 1.5 million beetle species. Let's jump in the next video to get more information. Let me introduce to you one of the insect under Hemiptera, the scientific name known as Texoptera aurantia. The common name of this insect is Camellia apis. This insect is important pest found on cocoa tree at the different age, which are at nursery, young tree, and mature tree. Let's going to know the taxonomy of insect. Knowing the taxonomy is important to be able to identify the different species of insect because there are large of number insect species in the world. It is critical to have a system for organizing them. Let's look at the symptom and detections. Camellia apis attack terminal and growing shoots of cocoa that can causing leaf deformations during summer. They can also attack succulent stem, flower, buds, and small chorus, which may cause premature shedding of flowers and culling of leaves. Luckily, Camellia apis was not reported to give effective extensive damage for cocoa crops. To minimize damage caused by Texoptera, the most used control management is by applying cultural practice to control the population of this insect. For example, timely pruning of the cocoa tree will reduce the colony of this insect build-up. In the same way, agent control such as cochineal beetles and corosopid will feed on the aphids and reduce populations. The more number of natural enemies, the more effective to reduce the population of aphid pests. In case of severe incident of aphids, management may directly resort to applications chemical insecticides like spraying of dimethoate 0.06% that will reduce the incidence and spread of aphids. If the infestation is recurring, a second spray may be given after an interval 20 to 30 days. Next brief is I will explain order under Coleoptera, which is one of important pests found on cocoa tree, known as shoots borer, that common found in stage age of young tree and mature tree. The previous scientific name is Galena cilia. This beetle can be recognized blue color with black spot and long antenna. So, what is the taxonomy of Galena cilia? What about symptoms and detections of Galena cilia? There are two common symptoms we can find on cocoa tree. First, in stage of life cycle, female will lay out the epidermis layer in the cocoa shoot at the ring symptoms in science, and an adult feed on the external part of young cocoa branches cause the formations of a ring. Where you can find the pupa, you can find on underground surrounding the invested cocoa tree. Second, multiple infestations may result in girdling of stems and branches of mature tree and cause tree mortality. How do we control Galena cilia? With using similar cultural control with aphid pests, of course by applying timely pruning on cocoa crops can control the level of infestations if the pests attack on the young shoots. Other than that, the most popular method by using chemical spraying is necessary. In that case, the infestations occur on bigger branches.